Highlander's available hands-free power rear liftgate offers a great way to access the cargo area when your hands are full. Here's how to use it. First, make sure the vehicle is off and that you have your smart key with you. Then simply stand directly behind the center of the vehicle and kick your foot straight forward under the bumper, using one fluid motion. It's important to kick directly toward the vehicle and not at an angle. Additionally, don't hold your foot under the bumper, as that may actually prevent the sensor from activating. A quick kick in and out is all it takes. Just bear in mind the liftgate may take a moment to begin opening. Plus, this system can also close the liftgate simply by doing another kick motion. Of course, please be sure to step back as the tailgate is opening or closing to provide necessary clearance and to avoid possible injury. Finally, please note that if you have a tow hitch installed, it will interfere with the kick sensor functionality, and we recommend turning the sensor off in that case. However, if you have a genuine Toyota tow hitch installed, the feature will work as intended. The only difference is that the sensor is located on the driver's side of the rear bumper instead of the center. So just remember to stand off to the side, note the location of the icon on the bumper, and then kick straight ahead, directly underneath that icon. And that's all there is to it. With Highlander, convenience comes naturally. For more information, visit toyota.com.